On this episode of The Atlanta Maker, we look at 3 must-have tools that you can make with your Glowforge. Since I've gotten my Glowforge, I've been making a lot of items, and I find myself constantly using these 3 tools over and over again. All of these can be made using the medium draftboard that ships with your Glowforge, so they are great early on projects for those that have just received their machines. Links to all the files are in the description of the video. The first must-have tool are the draftboard risers by GrooveStranger on the Glowforge community forums. I have seen a bunch of 3D printed risers, but why not use your Glowforge to make these instead, as it's much quicker. They are essential for doing any odd shape or thicker than half-inch items. The file has 3 different size risers, with one of them being essentially the same height as the Honeycomb tray. I have yet to use this one, so maybe just cut the 2 smaller ones for now. I've used them in several of the projects you've seen on this channel, including the glass plate and Father's Day hammer. I used the draftboard that was used to calibrate the camera to make these, as you can tell by the Glowforge logos on them. There are other ways to bring your items within range of the laser, such as stacking other materials below your item, but these just seem super easy and they nest for simple storage when not in use. Number 2 of the must-have tools you can make on your Glowforge is the focus height ruler from eFlyGuy, also on the community forums. This tool is also a must-have for those who are doing non-sheet items such as hammers, plates, cutting boards, etc. It's a shortcut tool for determining what material thickness to enter when using uncertified materials. I show how to use this ruler in the Dollar Tree glass plate engraving video, which I've linked down below. It's as simple as finding the best fit, reading the number off the ruler, and entering that value as the material thickness. It's quite small, so it can be made from scrap material, and works with any material type or thickness for the most part. The final item in our 3 must-have tools that can be made with your Glowforge are the Honeycomb tray pins by El Jefe4 on the Glowforge community forums. These work great for holding down items to the Honeycomb tray to make sure that they don't blow away from the fans. It's especially good for cardboard, paper, EVA foam, or even leatherette patches where you can see them in action in our previous video. These are quite small and also work great for scrap medium draftboard that you may have laying around. They can wear out or break over time, so you'll find yourself making a few more every now and then, but they are a necessity for some materials. There are some additional variations that others have offered up in this post, so if you find the original ones don't work well for you, try one of the variations further down. Well, that does it for the 3 must-have tools you can make on your Glowforge. Let me know what other Glowforge tools you can't live without in the comments below. As always, if this video was helpful to you, please smash the like button, comment on the video, and consider subscribing to our channel. See you next time.